Your local weather update with Nicholas Driver and the Star 9 Alabama weather team.
Good Tuesday evening, all. It has been absolutely cold out there, and so that being said, I hope everybody has had a safe, warm, and blessed day. Thank you for tuning in here with us at Star 9 Alabama. My name is Nicholas Driver. We got a whole lot to talk about today with this upcoming wintry system expected for Friday going through Saturday and Sunday. Let's get straight into it. So our forecast focus across North Alabama will be Friday, while much of the snow will begin to start Thursday evening going into Friday and continuing through Saturday. The main event is on Friday. Snow accumulation looks more likely now. Snow will likely start us off with the chance of mixed precipitation during the afternoon. Travel impacts are definitely expected if that snow accumulation sticks, and it is expected to, and that will cause issues, like I just said. 36 degrees as your high. While that's a little bit warmer than freezing, we're gonna still see snow stick at that point. Winter storm watches is in effect across much of the area of Oklahoma, Texas, Arkansas, Louisiana, Tennessee, and Mississippi within the next 24 to 48 hours. I wouldn't be surprised if the central Tennessee and north and central Alabamas were to get added to this winter storm watch, as well as everybody else northeast of that. Wintry weather, we just mentioned it, we just talked about it. What is everybody going to see potentially? Right now, everybody north of the Tennessee River may stick with just snow, up to 4 to 6, maybe 7 inches. That's a higher estimate, but I'm giving that right now. We could even see just 2 to 3 inches. It's not really known right now. Mixed precipitation out towards north central Alabama. We could start out as snow and then see rain, which will dwindle that snow totals. And of course, mixed precipitation and colder rain out farther south you go. This is likely going to change, but that is just the bias of what I have right now. Southern track. If we see more of a southern track, more snow is expected. If we see more of a northern track, less snow and more mixed precipitation or just rain is going to likely happen. If you are, seeing the system track just east of Louisiana, we're likely going to see more snow. If we see this low pressure system track northeast towards southeastern Alabama, southwestern Georgia, we're going to see mixed precipitation, heavier snow totals more towards Tennessee, and of course that heavier rainfall over much of the area, which will kind of dwindle on, again, those snow totals and bring us more ice. Of course, potential snow totals as we speak, this is likely going to change. Matter of fact, areas north of the Tennessee River, again, could have 3 to 5 inches. Areas in the middle of north central Alabama could see 2 to 3, and areas south could see a trace to 2 or 3 inches of snowfall. Of course, that also, again, depends on if we see rain or freezing rain. Potential ice accumulations, not much right now, but this will change. Fort Payne is looking at just way below under an inch of rain, so only a trace of accumulating ice, if you will. Winter weather impacts across North Alabama. Wind is not going to be that bad, but that wind chill is going to allow for our colder air to really feel frigid. That being said, we may be in the 30s, but we may feel like in the 20s and even the teens potentially throughout the afternoon. This snow and ice will also help with that, making it much chillier. All of these is in the higher impact range, which will allow us to go on an alert day Thursday evening, Friday, and Saturday. Much of the snow will begin to move in Thursday evening, mainly mixed precipitation to heavier snowfall. And then as we head into early Friday morning through the afternoon, that becomes heavier snowfall before quickly, depending on our warm nose, if we do see a warm nose, which generally changes our temperatures fairly quickly in the upper atmosphere, this will likely switch over quickly to more of a rainfall or mixed precipitation type of event. Of course, much of that will move out during the Friday evening time frame and early Saturday. Forecast for tonight, 24 degrees. Clear skies, still going to be very cold. Many will feel like the lower teens and maybe the single digits. Bundle up for tonight. Planning your evening. If you're planning to head out by 9 p.m., we're going to be around 30 and below degrees for 9 p.m. By midnight, 6 a.m., we're going to be in those lower 20s and mid 20s So bundle up the kiddos as you head out the door as well for your Wednesday. And for the next 5 days, again, it's just going to be a bumpy ride of colder temperatures Wednesday and Thursday, snow, and then we'll warm up, allowing for some of that snow accumulation to likely melt over the weekend. Of course, we thank you for tuning in here with us at Star 9 Alabama. We'll have more updates coming in. Follow us on Facebook for more breaking down updates across there. And I appreciate you for tuning in, and have a wonderful and blessed evening.
Thank you for trusting Star 9 Alabama for your local weather updates.